It's just the opportunity to come and visit and interact with the people here. The office is here, and the computer and all that are certainly state of the art. So it's a very modern setup. So it's a good place to come to work. I can just continue doing my work without any interruption.
NCTS's support of conferences like that is very good for young researchers in Asia, because they need to be getting together and collaborate. Personally, I'm a number theorist, and there's some outstanding young number theorists in this building now. It's very interesting to talk to them and see the subject evolving.
In dynamic system, I think the NCTS has been done very good job to promote the research in dynamic system in Asia. But the reason they could organize successful workshops and conference because they have a very good sectoral support and friendly director. Its team of staffs is very professional.
The birational geometry is strong there. So my mentor was Chen. So he often invites famous professors in birational geometry. So I made discussion and his students. It was a good opportunity to study it. For the people in birational geometry, the NCTS is much more better.
The funding agencies invest money on pure mathematics. I know that it's difficult. I know that it's difficult to explain often why we need pure mathematics. But the most important thing, as everyone knows in this field, is to keep the community alive, because it's important to continue the research. So I think it's a great job that the government or your funding agencies continue to sponsor an institute like this one.
So many guests from foreign countries came to the NCTS, and also in particular the East Asian countries, Japan or Korea and China, for collaborate with the people in East Asian countries. So it's a very nice place.
It was a wonderful experience. It was very welcoming. The facilities were great. Had an office, had access to the library, which was very good. The computer was working fine. The Wi-Fi was great. The environment to talk to people was very nice.
First is the hospitality and the activity organized, and also the research atmosphere and the discussions offered by many research scientists and colleagues in the center and around the center.
People are so devoted to research. That's the impression I got. Which is sometimes which is different from other places.
NCTS, there are a lot of very excellent mathematicians visiting there. So during my visit at the NCTS, I have met several top mathematicians from different countries. So the conversation with those visitors is also very enjoying, and I also learned a lot.
I gave a weekly lecture. So because of the audience includes like a PhD student, postdoc, research fellow from Academia Sinica, or faculty from mathematics. And I think also there are some math professors from other university in Taipei. They came to these special lectures. So because of their inspirations, I had to really prepare a lot in order to introduce this beautiful topic to them. One day I got an idea that, wow, indeed, we can simplify some long proof to a very short proof. by using some idea very creatively and directly. For me, it's one of the best papers that I have ever written. So I'm very grateful to the center for that.
NCTS is already different because NCTS has a lot of foreigner posters, so communicating with them is very enjoyable.
We also had a mentor, and we could discuss math with the mentor, and also other very good researcher in NTU and also in other universities.
NCTS is purely a research institute. It's not a mixed position that includes teaching and research. This is very helpful.
NCTS has a lot of activities, and among them a lot of conferences and workshops on quantum geometry, which is closely related to my research interest. So I was very happy here because I can attend a lot of activities almost every week.
NCTS provided me weekly honors seminar. In summertime there was here summer course, and they had several important conferences. So I think NCTS is well organized there.
There's a very good math library here. Compared to other places, not many places have this wonderful library. And indeed, you could almost find every journal you want or book you want in this library.
Welcome to NCTS.